How to model a pneumatic scissors mechanism in SolidWorks. Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you a concept for modeling a pneumatic scissors mechanism in 3D. As always, you can download the model from the link below. Watch the video until the end, and don't forget to support the channel by liking the video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like it, and support the channel. New videos every week, so don't forget to click the bell. Thanks for watching.